I know how I can feel in this circus. Sometimes it all just feels pointless. Yeah. But it's not. Not if you have people who care about you. Good memories can do a lot. Hold on to them and cherish the people around you. You'll never know when they'll be gone. In this world, the worst thing you can do is make someone think they're not wanted or loved. I'm glad you're here with me. You know, I've been thinking about that last tape. He said, the next breath you take down there will be your last. Maybe we can get through if we don't breathe. I'm not really good at holding my breath. Well, how about we try not thinking about it? If we leave and we go back to the circus, you're just going to go back to being crazy. You're not going to remember any of this, are you? Don't worry about me. As long as you remember it, things will be okay. You're very strong, Pomni, and I know you'll be able to get through this. Just hold on to me. We'll get through it together. You ready? Oh, Pomni, Kinger, you guys okay? Was it scary? I'm fine, actually. What happened up here?